Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E tablets for hair growth. Vitamin E is a fantastic antioxidant that can significantly boost your scalp health. It works by improving blood circulation to your hair follicles, which is crucial for encouraging new growth. Plus, it helps protect your hair from environmental damage and oxidative stress, keeping it strong and vibrant. Let's dive into the best ways to incorporate it into your routine. There are a couple of effective ways to apply vitamin E topically. You can simply puncture a vitamin E capsule and squeeze the oil directly onto your scalp. For a more diluted approach, mix the vitamin E oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil. Once applied, gently massage the mixture into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps the oil penetrate and stimulates blood flow, maximizing its benefits. To get the most out of vitamin E, aim to apply the oil to your scalp 1 to 2 times per week. For an internal boost, you might consider an oral vitamin E supplement, often around 400 IU daily. However, it's really important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's right for you and your specific health needs. They can provide personalized advice. For the best results, consistency is key. Commit to regular application for several months. Remember, vitamin E works best as part of a holistic approach, so combine its use with a balanced diet rich in nutrients and a healthy lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Taking care of your hair is a journey, and patience will pay off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.